Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. So hopefully today I'll be talking about how to compress a PDF file whilst maintaining its quality. So first of all, make sure you have an working internet connection and open your browser. So open your browser and type in ilovepdf. So type in ilovepdf, just type in this and search. So when it opens, select the first tab, that's ilovepdf. Select the first tab. The website is ilovepdf.com. So in here you have a lot of things you can do: merge PDF, split PDF, compress. We are focused on compress, so select the compressed PDF and upload the file you want to compress. So upload the file you want to compress. Okay, upload the file. So this file that I'm about to upload has a size of 5 MB. So select the particular file you want to upload and wait patiently as it loads. Sometimes the file might be big, so wait patiently so that the page can load. So now the page is fully loaded, and you select the compression level that you want. So we have extreme compression. This is less quality, high compression, good quality, good compression. So I always advise you to go for the recommended compression. In here you have a good quality and a good compression. So after you have selected the quality that you want, tap on the compress PDF. So wait patiently as your PDF will be compressed. So realizing here the PDFs have been compressed and the size is now 1.78 MB. So it will be automatically downloaded onto your PC or mobile phone, or if the automatic download doesn't happen, then you can tap on the download compressed PDF and everything is done. So that's it. So if you love this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and see you on the other side.